You know, one of the most adorable characters in the Grinch movie has to be little Cindy Lou Who. If you'd like to learn how to draw her just like this, then grab a pencil and a piece of paper and draw along with me. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies I used to make this drawing are just a pencil, paper, black marker, and a few crayons. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. I like to use center pencil guidelines on my paper when I draw, but you can also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1, I'm going to start by making marks where the side of Cindy Lou's head goes. When those are done, place your pencil on the left one, draw it down for the cheek, and then back up to the right dot. Now her two large oval eyes are added, one on the left and then one on the right. Afterwards, those lines are added inside. Step number 3, her hair comes next, and we can do it in stages. First come the kind of zigzag bangs that go across her forehead. Step number 3, her hair comes next, and we can do it in stages. First come the kind of zigzag bangs that go across her forehead. That line can continue down now for the curve of her hair and the zigzag bottom, and then the curve back up. And then the shape is finished with the top of her head, which is a large curve shape, and then you end up back at the bangs where you started. Step number 4, just a few more details here, like some lines in her hair and then her eyebrows too. The small curve of hair on the left side is added, and then a skinny neck under her head. Step number 5, the collar on Cindy Lou's nightgown looks kind of like a flower shape to me. Just draw it with some curved lines like I'm doing here. The sides of the nightgown are added under the collar, a long curve on the left and one also on the right. Step number 6, Cindy's arm is made from a sleeve line and then some fingers being added on the right side. We can finish now with that kind of signature look to her nightgown, which is the flower-shaped hem at the bottom. Step number 7, we need to add a couple of bow ends now to her hair. And step number 8, we need to add what I would call the antennae that are on her head. Just draw a kind of bent line like on the right side, like this. Add another line like that that's kind of bent and going to the left side of her head. Oh, and here's the part where I did remember to draw her eyelashes. Step number 9. Well, our pencil drawing is all finished now, so it's time to get that marker out and carefully trace all of those lines. Also, I recommend taking a minute to erase any pencil lines that might still be showing before you start to color. All right, time to bring out those crayons, and I'm going to start with pink for Cindy Lou's nightgown and those little bows in her hair. Then she most definitely has blonde hair, so that needs to be filled in yellow. Those big eyes are colored in blue. And to finish things off, Cindy Lou gets some peachy color for her skin. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more cartoon drawing lessons, including how to draw the Grinch and Max, his dog. Over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.